Bag Gaming here, and today is the 2023 April vacuum of the month. Now you guys are wondering, didn't I do a vacuum of the month with this machine? I did, but in 2019, this used to be 2019 November vacuum of the month. So today it's going to be a two-time vacuum of the month for this machine, because I don't have any vacuum that's to do vacuum of the month. So this time I'm going to be doing this one. So today is the two-time vacuum of the month for this machine, and this is the Hoover Tempo bagless. I would say like 5 years ago, I bought this machine for free off of Facebook Marketplace. And when I first bought this, the motor has really bad bearings, and what else? Yeah, and it has a bad belt, so I put a new belt on there. And I scrapped the Wind Tunnel Plus and put the motor into this machine. And I've swapped some of the tools off of the Wind Tunnel Plus and put it on the self-propelled. So, and when I was using this machine, when I was doing a review, when I was vacuuming, the headlight almost burned out, so I fixed the headlight so it works now. So I'm hoping that it doesn't burn out again, unless, well, probably not. But so right here you've got height adjustments, go from bare floor, low to high ball carpet, got 12 amps motor, got the Hoover logo, and right here you've got this brush roll. Yeah, this brush was a bit stuck. I had to change the screws to this machine because the long screw, I drilled a hole on both of the screws. But you got this headlight right here, got stair cleaning handle headlight, you got this dirt cup, you just push this button, and to empty you just lift this up. I had to put tape on it because this thing keeps coming off. You also got this filter right here, and yes, I do need to clean this filter out. And there's another filter which is in here. You have to take a screwdriver to get it out. So you got the carry handle, and right here you got tools. You got two of the extension ones, and on the back you've got your crevice tool. You also got your dusting brush, and you also, well, here's the cord. I'm going to move this out the way. So you got this cord, you got this cord clip on the back here. You also got the upholstery tool. Like when I first got this, it has a completely full attachments. So you also got the hose. So here's the hose. It's not really that long. You got your foot release right here, and you got your on and off switch that's on the side. So without further ado, I will do a demonstrate for you guys. So yeah, this vacuum I got for 5 years now. So yeah, it's 5 years I got this vacuum. So I'll go ahead and plug it in for you guys. And to tell you guys, I will be sewing this pretty soon. Oh, this is so good. Alright, there it goes. This thing will not plug in for some reason. But I'll go ahead and do a demonstration. To warn you guys, it's loud, so make sure you turn down your volume. And sorry for the long video, but here it goes. The headlight. Yeah, I do need to fix the headlight to this machine. So, like I said, I don't know what's the problem with this machine, but I might end up putting a new headlight on it unless the headlight's a little wobbly or something like that. But hope you guys enjoyed this video of the 2023 April Vacuum of the Month, also known as the two-time Vacuum of the Month. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace.